Cagayan gets his set.
And the fans of Cagayan are alive. They crawled their way back here into the third set and played the game that everyone was hoping to see. And our shaky shake and play, actually that did not cross. And we are looking at the fourth set, so don't go away. We'll be back.
We make it better
by texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's all text 20 plus.
Only on a text to everybody.
Trying it calls to many.
Made better with all day surfing. No tweet and retweet. Share and like. It's the key that's so deep. And it's still a 20 bucks.
Send AG20 to 2827.
So another day gets better. Better than the day before.
Hey, listen, let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with SmartBro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get some more internet now. SmartBro.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
How do we make it better?
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's all text 20 plus.
Only on a text to everybody.
Trying it calls to many.
Made better with all day surfing. No tweet and retweet. Share and like. It's the key that's so deep. And it's still a 20 bucks.
Send AG20 to 2827.
So another day gets better. Better than the day before.
How do I keep an angel happy?
And there, that third set was...
Porn happened.
Porn, yeah. Parang they woke her up. Parang tulog siya the whole match. ito yung acting ni Tita F, di ba? So, we are going...
Famas
dyan. And we are going a fourth set. And again, no, parang we always joke about gusto natin 3 sets, pero talagang in a match like this, it has to go 5 eh.
And then even in the pre-game, we kind of expected a long one between these two squads. Parang napaka-disappointing naman. Straight sets. Pero so far, Santiago already with 13 points. Bautista having 12. Salak and Aganod with 10 each. Sangmuang on the other side having 17 already. It's Amporn with 14. Pontigas with 7.
Wow, what a save by Gonzaga. Yan din, contortionist din
Oo
si
nga,
Gonzaga.
isa pa yan eh. Kanina pa rin siya.
Agno, Salak to Santiago. Good read. Too near the net. Oh, miscue there between Pineda and Sangmuang. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Well, good start for Army, toot the nun. Salak,
Didn't make it.
But yeah, you know, when you talk about that statistic na 6 service aces for Army compared to none for Cagayan. That happened actually at the start of the third set, eh, no?
Right.
Parang yung reception nila na
Oo.
problema.
Pero ang nakakagulat doon is in spite of those 6 bonus points, hindi nila na ipanalo yung set.
Yes.
Kasi kung itong dalawang teams ang pinag-uusapan, and then one team will have 6 service points, ang laking bonus
Yeah.
nun eh. Ang bigat nun para sa opponent, and yet, credit Cagayan for still getting that set.
Sila naman ang nag-hold on, no? And the official outfitter of the V-League is Axel.
Ang service ng Army ang may problema dito sa beginning, no, ng ating fourth set.
And like Salak said nga eh, di porke lamang tapos na.
Right.
That's what they failed to do there in the third set. Sana tapos na to, but they shouldn't relax.
And Gonzaga with a power tip.
Before serving 2. And Rita Baquera on your screens. Nina Aganon has actually won her place in the first set. Third serve. So,
Ayun
yan.
siya eh. Even in the UAAP, di ba, I call her the silent operator.
Yeah.
Because nandyan siya, hindi masyadong without flair, but will really give you numbers.
Yep. A good kill there for Gonzaga. So, poker face lang siya eh, di ba?
Wala.
NR. But very, very effective.
Right. Ayan na, nag-smile na. Ikaw talaga. Hindi mo nakita.
She smiles naman, pero yung
Dara,
sandali lang.
Oo, yung magkamali or magkaroon ng point. Ganon. Not much of a celebration.
Very short
Hindi
game.
naman laglag balikan.
Well, good block here by Nene Bautista of Benito and an early timeout by Coach Ness.
Ituloy mo na ituloy sa kanya. Ha? Ngayon, pag bibigyan mo nun, itaas mo na lang sa kanya, huwag mo masyado i-gano'n sa net. Ito naman ang pinapractice natin. Ito ang ginagawa natin ngayon.
Well, Coach Ness doesn't want the lead to even balloon further. It's a 4-point lead, 6-2. For those who just joined us, I'm Noreen Go together with Mozi Ravenna, bringing you the game here in the Shakey's V-League. Army against Cagayan. Sang Muang, Salak was there. Gonzaga, Tupalse, through the blockers. So slow start for Cagayan. 7 serving 2 sa panahon ng tag-ulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine name.
Chisayet. Ito yung kanina pa dapat siguro ano ba yung gatasan? Milk
Yeah.
her. Get her points early on.
Oo.
Diba? Huwag yung sa parang dulo or huli na, diba? Yung parang, sige na, kunin mo na lahat while she's in front, and I'm talking about Battery Sambuang.
Oh, who's hot, diba? And she's obviously in the zone today. Salak to Bautista. Good block by Saet. 3 balls. Soriano. Saet back to Sangmuang. Gets it through, but it's still alive. Bautista. Long spike. Saet. Sangmuang with a drop. Aganon was there. What? Smart tip.
That's right. Pao Soriano making it look so easy. Simpleng-simple, no?
Oo. Pao Soriano, not the tallest of middle blockers, and Shakey's V-League is powered by Motolite battery, pang matagalan. I keep hearing my name in the background.
Pag yung may pangmatagalan. Alam mo na yan.
Balse, Benito was there. Saet sets it over. Aganon was there. Salak to Gonzaga. Oh, good dig, Benito. Saet to Sangmuang.
Oh, still playable.
Good save. Soriano, block. Saet to Sangmuang. Oh, Agno. Parang nangyari kay Sangwang earlier yun, ah.
Pero grabe si Agno, really taking it, you know?
That's right, and the Army goes into the first technical timeout ahead 8-4.
Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Bro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Smart's internet now. Smart Bro.
How do we make it better?
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's All Text 20 Plus.
We all got text to everybody.
Trying to call too many.
Made better with all-day surfing. No tweets and a tweet. Share and like. It's the tweet that's so free. And it's still at 20 bucks.
Send AG20 to 2827.
So another day gets better. Better than the day before.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got the answer?
Yeah. With you.
I'm so lucky.
Kailangan daw patuloy pa rin yung kayod, most especially when it comes to defense. And sabi niya, what worked for them during their first 5-setter against Army is that yung service nila talagang kargado. Kaya naman sabi ni Coach Ness, for this set, kailangan daw simulan na nila kargahan at bigatan pa din daw yung service and of course, yung kanilang atake. Balik sa inyo.
Well, kailangan. But they've been serving pretty well, speaking of Cagayan. But ang problem ng Cagayan is they're always chasing. Right now, they find themselves down by 5. Good reception by Aganon. Gonzaga. Saet. To Sangmuang.
Oh, Sangmuang. That's Cagayan's third attack point so far. And doubling that is Philippine Army in this set.
Sangmuang just wants to win here. You can feel it, no?
Oh,
Kayod
Christine Agno, yun ang kayod rin. Pahihi kanina pa eh.
Grabe.
Hindi na kailangan maglinis dito sa arena mamaya.
Malinis na malinis. Yung yellow niya, hindi na yellow. Good read by Sangmuang. And that was a good actually break for Cagayan. They're just down by 3. Pao Soriano.
Yep, Cagayan Valley, as I remember, it was a hard-fought third set, diba? So they cannot take it easy. Tama si Coach Ness, kailangan pagpaguran.
Oh, sayang.
Oh, and then Bautista just trying to save that ball, goes wide.
Oh, try to use their left there, no?
Right. Their left, right.
Right. Front, back.
Ayun na naman tayo. Ayun na, kukwentuhan na naman kayo.
Oo nga. Good reception, Salak near the net.
Oh, and Nene Bautista. But as another wide attack hit. And Bunag.
Oh, isa pang
in pa lamang,
Naulang.
Kalalim, Pang klase John Bunag now comes in for Coach Rico.
But John Bunag has always been steady for Army.
Isa pa yan.
Parang agad.
Yes, correct.
Good save, Balse.
Oh, and Balse, too much angle.
Wow, don't look now. We are tied. From 4 to 9, now we're 9 apiece.
And it has been the errors of Philippine Army. Well, not to take anything away from Cagayan Valley.
That's right. Shakey's V-League is powered by Motolite battery. Pang matagalan. I knew it. Barry would look at me.
Sige na nga na rin. Pakita mo dyan sa jacket mo nakatago ang Motolite battery.
Yeah. Correct. Oh, good block.
And for Reed on the side of Cagayan, no support. Walang coverage. Actually, malapit naman sila. Kaya lang nagtinginan eh. Yan talaga mahirap pag hindi ka sa bola nakatingin. Pag sa teammate mo, ikaw nakatingin.
Exactly. Saka, yung obviously, di ba, like the umpire doesn't know the capability of a Bunag. Bunag, alam naman natin, solid yan.
Oh, nicely done. Batchery once again.
Wow, really working hard for Cagayan. Look at that. Actually, medyo malayo. Parang napansin ko sa mga like a bit.
Oo, may distance.
No?
Oo, from the net. Ayaw niya yung sobrang lapit. Kasi nga naman, it's easier. Lalo na when you have tall blockers sa opponent, no? Ang hirap pag malapit sa net, wala ka na magawa.
Oo, Joust. Santiago, easy over. Sangmuang with a dive. Tabaquero, block.
Ayan na naman yung floor defense ni Sangmuang.
Free ball. Salak. Bunag. Oh!
Sangmuang has been really the target of yung attacks ng Philippine Army.
What a save by Army.
Oh!
Ampon!
Ampon ends it with that running hit. Tama na.
Tama na. Buhay na ako. No more Mr. Nice Guy.
Oo nga.
Look at that angle, no?
Very sharp.
Look at this. Facing one direction and then facing pa rin.
No look hit.
No look hit. Grabe. Pero we gotta give credit also to itong pag-serve. Malinis na rin ang court sa kabila.
Oo. Hindi, kanina nabanggit nga natin na yung floor defense niya talaga napansin natin. And ngayon naman, yun pa rin, no? It has been really working for Batchery Sangmuang.
That's right. And a great block by Angie Tabaquero.
Eto na ang Cagayan.
12-10.
Kaya umiingay na eh. Lamang na Cagayan.
Oo nga eh. High ball. Oh, good save. Sangmuang. Santiago. There's nothing Tabaquero could do there. Nasasayag na siya.
Ang hirap na itaas yung bola.
Yung elbow na naka-pin down, nasasayag.
Super power ka na niya.
Super wrist action. John Bunag now serving for Army. Good serve. Pineda. Saet.
Oh!
Ampon!
Let's do it better this time.
Yeah, baby! Grabe. Look at that.
Alam ko na. Gusto niya yung medyo short, no?
Oo.
No? Parang yung hinahabol.
Look.
Kanina rin ganun eh. Gusto
Saka
niya yung hinahabol niya eh.
Yung glide niya pataas, no? Well, that's running par excellence. Diba?
Nathan Santiago with her own version converts that running hit.
Oh, hindi naman din magpapatalo. Our din Santiago.
Mayroon din ako niyan.
That's right. Na Matrix tuloy si Sangmuang doon. 12 serving 13. Tina Sala.
Oops. And violation. The rotation. Una.
Yeah, no, she saw it. What a lucky break for Army.
Break? Sire?
Nandun sa harap na si Chisait.
Bagay. Oh, and now, yung adjustment to sa blocking ng Philippine Army.
Whoop. Five touches, 6-7. Smart tip there for by Angie Tabaquero. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Ampon. But you gotta love the adjustment that the Army made na na-block nila, no?
Right. Bilis, no?
Yep.
Diba, nakadalawa pa lang si Ampon. So, yun na. Pag-adjust na.
Oh.
O, narinig nila tayo. Short. Ayan, short.
Tabaquero. Get the point for Cagayan.
4-4 po pa.
Good serve. Aganon. Salak to Dindin. Sangmuang was there. Tabaquero into the net. set was far. She tried to make 2, but she just buries that into the net. Linden Santiago. 14 serving 15. For those just joined us, this is the 4th set between Army and Cagayan, but Army had 2-1.
Linden Santiago to serve.
Salak was there. Santiago. Free ball, short ball. Soriano.
Oh, and a
Oh!
play.
Facial! And Cagayan finds themselves ahead 16-14. There you can see the scores. 25-22, 26-24 in favor of Army, then Cagayan 28-26. So imagine how long this game has been, and so far Cagayan had 16-40 here in the 4th set.
Look at this last play. Ach Tabacero, in spite of 3 blockers.
Na facial pa
Kaya nahirapan si Linden. Because there were already 3 blockers. So, feeling niya bantay na diba? So, pag tumayo ka pa doon, syempre, mahirap nga naman i-miss.
Yep, money. Salak to Balse. Tabacero was there. Saet. Benito. Oh, good save. Benito. Bunag was there. Salak. Good block. Coverage is there. Agno. Salak. Aganon. Pineda was there. Sangmuang. Agno.
Easy taking.
Aganon.
And Aganon smartly using the blockers of Cagayan Valley to take that point. Well, Cagayan now with 9 attack points. Philippine Army with 10.
Lapit, ano? And the Casa's official ball of the Shakey's V-League. 15 serving 16. Good serve. Pineda. Good block. Tabacero. Benito. Salak. Bunag.
Oh, and Benito getting that point.
And look how she walked after.
Kasi parang, ano na nga yun hindi na siya naka-approach kasi nabigla siya na sa kanya bumalik yung bola
You gotta remember, Joy Benito was part of that team of San Sebastian.
Na ilang beses nag-champion, with Coach Roger.
Na ACL lang yan, but that's
up diba, nung first year siya, tawagan natin sa kanya Baby Bolly.
Baby Bolly, yep. Which is LC. Salak, Gonzaga.
Gonzaga going cross-court.
Army really refusing to give this to Cagayan. So Gonzaga now serving for Army, 16-17. Out, service error. Very crucial for Army.
Ito na yung exciting portion na inaabangan natin mula second set. Ito ang buhay natin.
Really close. We showed them the scores, diba?
And yung sets were decided dun sa latter portion of each set. Tina Salak, hindi pwedeng easy ball
Oh! And Montillas
getting the right spot.
Walang tao, no?
Wala. Kaya hindi na niya kinailangan na yung powerful hit sa placement
hit.
No?
Yeah. Sure hit 19 serving 16. Good serve by Soriano. Agno. Salak to Balse. Tabaquero was there. C to Amporn. Drops it. Good save by Tabaquero. Pontillas. Whoop! 3 balls. C. Pontillas!
Oh, asking for a check, but no check. Sabi na referee natin. Pontillas is targeting once again yung corner na yun, yung area. Yung zone 1 area.
That's right. And but an hitting error nonetheless for Cagayan. King Balse to serve. Short serve. Oh! Joan Bunag, easy over. Pineda was there.
Amporn!
That Amporn! That running hit. That girl. That girl. And substitution. Bautista back in for Bunag, but what a set and what a finish by Amporn. 3-point lead, Cagayan. Sangwang serving. Good serve. Ganon. Salak. 2 near the net. That did not cross, actually. Nakita ko na yung reaction ni Maida. Not over! Na may irap-irap pa eh. Umiikot yung mata eh. 4-point lead is already a luxury in this set, ha?
Correct. And especially when we are at this portion, di ba? Yung latter portion.
Yep. Good reception. Dindin!
Oh, Dindin Santiago running hit also.
But you know, for Army, no, parang another day at the day office lang for Dindin eh. The other people should actually step up. Dindin will score her points, pero hindi pwede siya lang. Bautista with a short serve. Pineda was there. Amporn! Good save!
Gonzaga saving it again. Kasi Gonzaga nakakabulbul na eh.
Break dance.
Oh, isa pa!
Aganon.
Oh, Malaganon going down the line.
Oh, you gotta give credit to Jovelyn Gonzaga for digging.
2 beses yun nagaling kay Amporn.
Oh, and a timeout called by Coach Ness. Let's listen.
Hindi pa nila alam kung ano papaluin. Wala po din yung panalo, itatanghalbol nila. Kasi ikaw magbibigay ng play, hindi naman simple. Sige, isip mo na maganda. At least try ka mag-discarte mo.
Gaganda ka naman natin. Once na maganda tayo, ha?
Much needed timeout for Coach Ness and Cagayan. But look at this. Aganon goes down the line. Yan ang sinasabi natin, yung mga digs ni Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Yes. Ano yung gumulong-gulong na si Jovelyn just trying
break dance nga.
Oh.
Bautista. Pineda was there.
Oop! Violation on that set by Giselle C.
That's right, and just a 1-point lead. Don't look now, partner. Kanina.
Ayan, don't look na talaga ako.
Don't look na talaga. Ako na rin din maglulok.
Si Barry na lang pa. Salitain natin.
Oh! What a block!
Solid block.
And we are tied. Substitution. Maizo and C out. Benito and Saib back in. But again, it's 21 apiece. They blew a 4-point lead.
That's correct.
But hope now for Army and the Army fans. Bautista still serving. Short serve. Good cover there. Salak. Aganon! Oh! Wow! Grabe to si Mina Aganon.
Diba? Tsaka yung mga tempo nung points niya, very important.
And Army grabs the lead. Benito. Amporn will not be denied this time. 22-all. Alam mo, in a game like this, ayaw mo talaga may matalo eh.
Di ba? Totoo. And then, you can see the hard work of both teams.
Saet, good serve. Agno. Amporn. Good block!
Oh, and Amporn was... Army was just waiting for that hit by Amporn.
I'm surprised she actually hit it to the blocker.
Right. Parang she may beat yung hit na yun. Parang she was just trying to get it over.
That's right, but a good block by Dindin nonetheless. Tina Salak serving 23-22.
Oh, and Tina Salak giving away a point.
I know, and Coach Rico talagang disgusted, pero nakasmile pa rin.
Oo. Napasipa ng bahagya.
Oo.
Parang ambon.
Oh!
And an ace by Amporn.
That's crazy because that wasn't a hard serve. Miscue, and Coach Rico has to sue for time.
Ang layo mo na nangyari. Huwag mo na agawan yung iba. Kaya naman mag-receive. Hindi, kung gano'n naman, sa'yo na nakatapat. Salita kayo. Ha? Sabihin lang po, lalo na. Oo, hindi pa naman tapos.
Well, this was an ace serve, a crucial one at that for Amporn. And again, you know, it wasn't the hardest of serve, pero nagka-miscue. Bautista was there, pero Agno really felt that she had to do her job. Ayun, no?
Right.
Good effort naman. But it is set point for Team Cagayan. Are we going the fifth? Good deception. Aganon. Oh.
Dug up well by Amporn.
Oh!
Bakero.
I'm claiming it.
Akalain mo.
Sabi mo, Mozi, nandito ka, you're going to help me.
Hindi kinaya ng powers ko.
Well, our shaky shake and play. Tabakera just using her smarts and swiping off the blockers. We are going a fifth set. Don't go away. We'll be back.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
Just pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price.
What a great deal.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
Just pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price.
What a great deal.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shaky Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday, and Wednesday too. Thursday,
brought their A game. And they were patient kasi ang laki ng lead nung umpisa ng Philippine Army. We thought nga na they were going to pull away and get this set and get the game. Pero ang Cagayan, very patiently, inunti-unti, until you knew it, eto na naman, they decided to set again towards the end of the fourth set. Ang malaking tulong si Amporn and the floor defense of Hatchery. Ange Tabaquero also came to play. Mga big stars really came in to play that fourth set.
Siyempre, pag winning time, all these stars, these names, they will come out to play, diba?
Tama. Ngayon, fifth set. So, importante that sino yung mauna, diba? Malaking factor yan always in the fifth set. We always say that. Kasi nga, up to 15 lang tayo.
Yes. Oh, good save. Santiago. Benito. Saed.
Oh! That was the adjustment on the side of our Philippine Army. Nababasa na nila paunti-unti yung running hip ni Amporn.
Oh, that was single block by Aganon. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shaky.
Kanina pa niya ginagawa yan. So far, Salak with 35 excellent sets. Saed with 31. C with 30.
Well, 2-0 now for Army. You know, deja vu. Cagayan always starts out really slow.
Kanina pa sila ganyan, and again, unti-untiin nila.
But then again, we keep reminding, hanggang 15 ng set na to.
Tama. That was read well by Jovelyn. Oh! Ina Salak giving Pineda a workout.
Oo, pero parang out na dapat.
Ako tingin ko.
And again, an early timeout called by Coach Ness. Let's listen in.
So, tatlo pa lang yan. Hindi nga napakagulang mo din naman, sir. Kasi ano yung tama? So, baka mamaya, pag-balik niya, i-short naman, di ba? So, paano ito? Kasi isipin nyo rin, pasayan nyo yung coach na bago sa mag-short. Ha? Sige.
Well, a strong start by Team Army, of course led by their captain. No, it was going in. It was going in. And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shaky V-League.
Santiago now with 18 big points. Aganon with 14. Bautista with 14. I like the way how Aganon played here. Hindi siya nag-start and yet 14 points na siya in this game.
Humabol, no? Tabaquero with that kill for Cagayan. Saed.
Tabaquero now with 10 points. It's Sang Muang with 20. Partner, si Amporn 19 na rin,
Wow. Good serve by Saed. Ace. 2 serving 3.
Eventually, yung what we expected na yung Thai players would take over. Yes. Nangyari.
Oo. Free ball for Army. Agno. Salak. To Aganon. Sangmong was there. Benito. Agno was there. Salak.
Not enough spin. That goes long.
Good read, no? For Cagayan.
Chisa is still serving.
3 apiece. Good serve. Oh, good reception. A tip read well. Amporn to Benito.
Oh, and Benito sends it wide.
She was going for the angle, but missed it. Very close, huh? That was very close.
Right. And also Coach Ness, no, kept Benito in the game.
Yep. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League.
Parang si Agano naman on the side of Coach
Yes.
Rico.
And they've both been playing well. Din. Short serve.
Eto na naman. And this time, Amporn going down the line. Binago niya.
Yes.
Adjustment naman sa side ni Amporn.
Alam niya na
basa na bablock na
Agano.
yung cross-court hit niya. This time, going down the line.
Sabi ni Nen. Naku po.
Kanina hindi naman dito Sabi, ano naman dito dinala yan?
Oo nga. Good reception. Salak to Balse. No check. No check.
No check. That hit the tape of the net.
Good call. Yes. And Cagayan grabs the lead. Sa panahon ng tag-ulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Short serve. Balse was there. Salak set to Gonzaga. Saed. Benito. Tabaquero. Block. Coverage is there. Back to Tabaquero. Salak was there. Gonzaga. Second ball over.
Oh, and second ball attack coming from Philippine Army. Gonzaga getting the point. Yan ang tama, no? Para maiba lang. And this is the fifth set. Sabi nga natin, high risk, high reward.
Yeah.
Diba? Yung iba naman, they want low risk para sigurado.
Sure
high
ball.
percentage.
It's served by Aganon. Saet. Tabaquero. Agno was there. Salak to Bautista. Hitting Sang Muang. Free ball. Salak to Gonzaga. Bautista through the blockers.
Oh, and that went through the blockers of Cagayan Valley.
And Shakey's V-League is powered by Motolite Battery. Pang matagalan.
Woohoo!
Yeah! 6 serving 5. Aganon, another good serve. Sangmong was there. Benito.
And Benito with a cross-court hit, and I think there was also a net violation.
Double jeopardy.
Oh.
Benito's been playing well for Cagayan.
Magandang bunot for both coaches.
Oo.
Nabunot si Nina Aganon sa Army, at sa kabila naman si Benito.
Was in a service error by Angie Tabaquero. 3-point para sa Army. Gonzaga. Good serve. Tabaquero's there. Saet. Sangmuang block. Good coverage. One more time. Bautista.
Oh, and Bautista. Made sure she got that one. It was close to the net, but her take-off medyo malayo. So, inabot na lang niya yung bola. That was a hard hit. Kumbaga, hard attack coming from Nene Bautista. Look at her go. Lumayo siya sa net, pero this one, challenging the blockers. Let's see that once again. Layo siya sa net, pero...
Yun. Well, Cagayan, Team Army into the mini changeover has an 8-6 lead, and Gonzaga serving.
Philippine Army now 4 attack points. Cagayan Valley having 3.
Again, pretty close, and that's what's been going on here. Sangmuang still relentless for Cagayan.
Easy taking there for Batchery Sangmuang.
And the substitution, Benito and Saet sits, Contillas and C in at an early stage. Well, sabagay, it's already in the mid part of this 5th set. For those who just joined you, we are at the 5th set here in the Shakey's V-League, Army against Cagayan. And yung sinasabi mong challenge ni Giselle C. So far, no, sa 4th set saka 3rd set, medyo short, no? But alam natin, fighter yan.
And si Coach Ness, nakita mo naman yung tiwala, di ba? Sending her in now.
Oh!
Maizo with a solid block.
Well, obviously, ang number one option ni Giselle C is always Pontillas. Yun yung napansin natin. Pontillas to the block.
Siya yung, kumbaga, porsyentuhan naman siya.
Oo. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. We are 8 apiece. Gonzaga, Salak, Bautista.
Oh, and that goes out, so point goes to the Philippine Army.
9 serving 8, Balse. Well, both teams really just fighting it out here. Tabaquero. And Samuel gets another point for Cagayan, 9 apiece. And again, Mozzie, look at the front row for Team Cagayan.
Oh my goodness.
Sila pa rin. But you, again, over for Army, you have Santiago, Salak, and Bautista.
Hindi rin naman. Halos ganun din naman. Oh, and Ninin Santiago winning that joust. Hindi pa masyadong kilala talaga niya. You can really feel and see na hindi ba niya masyadong kilala yung mga players.
Tsaka parang nahihiya pa siya ng konti, no? Well, that's a point pa rin for Army. Didn't Santiago really all over that? Short.
Oh! Walang kahihiyan doon sa play na yon. So, solid hit from Amporn. I guess si Giselle C should really now think, di ba, where to go.
Yeah, but marami siyang options.
Yun na nga eh. Kailangan na mabasa niya rin yung depensa sa kabila. Oh, and Santiago, once again, laging may sagot, no? Si Ninin Santiago.
Sabi ko sa'yo, another day at the office lang si Dindin eh. She will get her points eh.
So, pag pumalo si Amporn, yun ang gusto ko eh. Babawian niya eh. Kagad. Sasagutin niya kagad eh.
Unfazed. Angmuang. Si Tabaquero. Agno was there. Salak. Pineda was there. Si.
Oh, and a violation. I think it was a crossing violation on C.
And a 2-point lead by Army. That boy, those small errors are going to haunt this Cagayan team.
Oh, that was a beautiful play.
Yeah.
That was such a beautiful play. Coming from Cagayan Valley.
Great set by Giselle C, but they take their place in the bench aside, and Benito comes back in. Nothing the defense of Army can do there. She saw it serving for Team Cagayan. Ow! Hitting error by Dindin Santiago. Actually, uncharacteristic error yan for Dindin, We are tied. Ang haba ng game na to, no? Yeah. 32-30.
Gusto mo pang i-break yan?
Aganon.
Aganon! Down the line hit. Effective once again.
Yes. Well, as we head towards the twilight of this game, 13 serving 12, can't get it any closer than this. Jeannie Sabas coming in for Santiago. Sabas known for her consistent service.
Saka rin to yung porsyentuhan, right?
Yes.
Yung even sa offense, lalim talaga ng bench.
Both squads.
Army.
Sure, serve. Sabas was there. Salak. Good block. Good cover. Salak. Gonzaga. Saet was there. Benito. Tabaquero!
Ange Tabaquero. May pagka-short pa yung set, diba?
Yung palo na yan, she dug deep eh.
Yes, correct.
She dug deep.
yung kumbaga may extra effort, di ba?
We are tied.
Extra whipped cream.
Extra whipped cream, extra everything. Caffeine, everything. 13-all, Ampor. Salak. Gonzaga.
Oh, and Gonzaga. Cross-court hit. Gets Army match point.
Match point. 14 serving 13. Mina Gana has a really wicked serve. How will Cagayan react to this? Facing match point.
Right. Nice sure serve. Oh! Nene Bautista overpowering Benito. Army finally wins this one in 5.
That's right. Fifth set, but hats off to both squads.
Right!
Really great game.
Super!
And our shaky shake and play, ito yung nagtapos ng game. Bautista with a good block over Benito. And Army still undefeated, although in 5 sets. Army wins this over Cagayan. We'll be back.
Music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
How do we make it better?
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's All Text 20 Plus.
Only on a text to everybody.
Trying to call too many.
Made better with all day surfing. No free endless week. Share and like. It's the key that's so free. And it's still at 20 bucks.
Send AG20 to 2827.
Best player of the game with a total of 20.16 coming from attacks now. Din sabi nila kanina na naunahan niyo sila yung Cagayan ng 2 sets and then nabawian kayo ng 2. Ano ba yung sinabi din sa huddle coming into the 5th set para talagang kumapit kayo dito and eventually winning the game?
Sabi po ni coach at saka yung mga senior ko po, sabi nila mag-focus lang kami. Dapat higitan pa namin yung ginawa namin yung first and second set para mabawi namin ulit yung momentum namin.
Alright, and dahil dyan, merong regalo sa'yo ang Sports Vision. Meron tayong Shakey's Pizza. Congratulations. And alam ko meron kang mga gustong batiyan.
Hi po sa lolo't lola ko sa Cavite, si Daddy Boy, si Mami Luz. Hi din po kay Chico Manabat. At saka sa pamilya ko sa Israel. Hi din po sa nanay ko, Alma Labantonio. At saka maraming salamat po sa mga sumusuporta sa Army.
Maraming salamat kay Zach.
Alright, so on behalf of my partner, Moji Ravena, and Mia Kalem, I'm Noreen Go saying keep it here in the Shakey's V-League because this is where it all started.